All right, question number 8. Factor the quadratic trinomial 7x squared minus 52x plus 60. It says to choose the correct option below, and we have a little hint here. Multiply the binomials to match to the quadratic trinomial. So in this example, in this trinomial, we have a quadratic trinomial that we don't know how to factor because I have a number out front of my x squared. I have a coefficient. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our answer choices to work backwards to find out which one matches. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to start with choice A. I'm going to put it up here just so I don't run out of space. And I've got 7x minus 10, and then I have x plus 6. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to FOIL. I'm going to multiply these through. So 7x times x is 7x squared. And then I'm going to do my outers. 7x times 6 is going to give me plus 42x. My inners, negative 10 times x is minus 10x. And then negative 10 times 6 is going to give me negative 60. So when I go ahead and simplify these middle two terms, 42x minus 10x gives me 32x. And I can see here that that doesn't match that middle term. So choice A isn't going to work for us. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to test choice B to see if this would be the correct factored term. Now, when I rewrite this, I notice right away here that I have two positives. So when I multiply all of these numbers through, I'm only going to get positive numbers, which means I could never get this negative right here with the 52. So because of that, I'm going to go ahead and eliminate choice B right away. I'm going to move on to choice C. So 7x minus 8 and then x minus 6. I'm going to distribute that 7x through. So 7x squared, then I've got 7x times negative 6 or negative 42x. My inners, negative 8 times x, negative 8x, and then negative 8 times negative 6 is going to give me positive 48. Okay, so right away here I can see at the end that's positive 48. That does not match my 60, so choice C cannot work. So this means that I should be getting choice D for my answer, since it's the only choice left. But just a quick double check to make sure we didn't make a mistake somewhere else, I'm just going to go ahead and fix this, and this should be an x here, not an n. So I'm going to have 7x times x, or 7x squared. Then I'm going to have 7x times negative 6, negative 42x. Negative 10 times x, negative 10x. And then negative 10 times negative 6 is going to give me positive 60. When I combine my like terms, this gives me that negative 52x that we're looking for. So here we can see that this last one matched the trinomial we were given. So on a multiple choice test, if you come to something like this where you can use the answers to check to find your answer, that's a great multiple choice strategy.